Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say